Mac and cheese, a seemingly simple combination of macaroni and melted cheese, is one of the most popular dishes in the United States. The preferred American combination consists of curved macaroni pasta and cheddar cheese, but modern varieties include vegetables, breadcrumb toppings, or gourmet ingredients such as crab, lobster, or truffles. Although it is an American staple, the dish was probably inspired by similar pasta dishes enjoyed in Italy and France. In the United States, it was popularized by none other than Thomas Jefferson. He fell in love with the combination of pasta and cheese during his European travels, and soon after returning, he started importing macaroni and had the pasta machine shipped to Virginia. Jefferson's chefs prepared macaroni and cheese and served it at his lavish banquets, and his distant cousin Mary Randolph published the first mac and cheese recipe in 1824. The dish was further popularized when Kraft placed the boxed variety on the market. Mac and cheese is a cheap, no-frills dish that could feed the whole family, and it is no surprise it has become a mainstay in American kitchens. It is the ultimate comfort food and is often listed as one of the most iconic American dishes.